asked a lot about what we do when we're not making jewelry. And one of the things we do is we do a monthly beach sweep where I collect some sea glass and we clean the beach. So I just wanted to bring you along for this and let you see a little bit about what it is. We start off with the beach. Today it's kind of dirty, but you see all the volunteers there in the background with their buckets. They come from all over, corporations, volunteers, just single volunteers. We usually show up at the beach very early, about 7 o'clock is when they start on Fort Lauderdale Beach. Sun's peeking out, it's a gorgeous sunrise. Nothing like the sound of the surf and the gulls. The smell of the beach, it's gorgeous. Our beach here is quite pretty. You see some of the bigger hotels in the background. Got a lot of eateries. Some are open, some aren't open yet. This is what we basically do. We come and we clean up beach. We have our bucket. We have our little picker. We just pick up refuse. That's what we do.